welcome back to the channel. Working Wayne checking in. God, this is a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. 2020. I'm gonna show you how to take off this trim panel and this handle. Alright? So the first thing first, guys, get yourself a flathead screwdriver. There is a black tab that's down there. You can't miss it. There's a black tab. You're gonna flip that black tab up. Flip it up. And use a fillet and take the screw from out of there. Come on, man. You guys, that's what that screw looks like. All right. Then, guys, get yourself a flathead screwdriver or a clip ribbon mover, guys. You're gonna take it and you're gonna shove it right in the crease, right there. You're gonna pry it open some. Then you're gonna do is the big one, clip remover. Put it in there and pop it open. Okay? Pop it open, just like that. Go ahead and take this piece off. Just push it right in the groove like that. Snap it out. Leave that piece alone, guys. All right, see that? It comes off. Then, to take this piece loose, I'm gonna show you guys how to lose this cable. Okay, guys, this is what I wanted to show you guys. In order to lose this piece right here, this cable from off the trim panel, on the trim panel, guys. You guys see this tab right here? This tab right here. Go ahead and push that tab in. That tab, just push it in, just like that. Push it in, and it comes out. Push that tab in. See that? And it comes out. That's how you lose that. Comes out. Okay, guys, once you got the baby loose, go ahead and loose the harness for the motor. See that? Take it loose. Now that's how you take off the trim panel, guys. It's pretty simple. Now let's do the door handle. You guys, all right. You guys see that tab right there? The flathead, put it in the groove. That tab out. Inside here, guys, you're gonna see a screw. It says number 10 or a Phillips. You're gonna take the screw from there. It's you're gonna turn to the left. Using my Phillips. That's it. Remember, just turn the screw. It stays in there by itself. Now once that is loose, you're gonna put your flathead, hold this open like this, put it right between the groove, and pry it out. Then you're gonna let it stay. You're gonna let it stay like that, just like that, and loose it some more, just like that. Loosen up. Then it comes out. See that? That piece comes out. Then this piece right here, go ahead and slide it out backwards. That's simple, guys. 1, 2, 3. All right. Then you're gonna take this piece off. Do not lose these pieces, guys. All right. That's it for the back door, guys. Now we're gonna do the front door. I'm gonna just show you guys how to take off the handle, the mirror, the glass, and the trim panel. All right. So you guys stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video, baby. About Working Wayne checking out.